We're knights of the round table, we dance as we're able, we do routines and chorus scenes with folk we're quite impeccable. We dine here in Camelot, we eat ham and jam and Spamalot. We're knights of the round table, our shows are formidable, but many times we're given rhymes that are quite unsingable. We're opera mad in Camelot, we stain from the diaphragm-a-lot. In war we're tough and able, quite infatigable. Between our quest and sequin fest, we impersonate Clark Gable. It's busy life in Camelot. I have to push the pram a lot. We were wrong, but so young and so in love. That boozy English day at the Brighton racecourses, the wind blew my skirt up, and it frightened the horses. We were wrong, but so young and so in love. 'Cause I'm gonna rhino over your lino, I'm gonna rhino with you. In all kinds of leather, we'll rhino together, we'll keep rhinoing through. I have seen Mr. Apollo up through trees with his bare hands. I have seen Mr. Apollo's bodybuilding plans. He's the strongest man the world has ever seen. And if you take his courses, he'll make you big and rough. Oh, I can beat up bullies till they cry, oh crikey, let go you rotter, don't punish me. Oh, when you're tough, you're very fit, your voice is rough, it sounds like grit, and when you're strong, I'm proud of it, thanks to Mr. Apollo, Mr. Apollo. Everyone knows he's the greatest benefactor of mankind. Apollo, Mr. Apollo. Everyone knows that a healthy body makes a healthy mind. I have always thought in the back of my mind, cheese and onions. I have always thought that the world wasn't kind, cheese and onions. Do I have to spell it out? CHEESEANDONIONS, no. Man and machine, keep yourself clean, or be a has-been, like a dinosaur. Man and device, for everything nice, better think twice, at least one more. Man and machine, keep yourself clean, be a has-been, like a dinosaur. Dear Father Christmas, with your white fluffy whiskers, instead of just a letter, I am writing you a song this year. It's not for the money, I'm not being funny, it's for something else to do with the season of good cheer. Dear Father Christmas, can I ask for this much? How about some love and understanding in this world? Peace between each nation, an end to all starvation, if only for the sake of every boy and every girl. Dear Father Christmas, I know it's good for business. Haven't we got enough atomic bombs to kill us all? 1,000 times over, the world should be in clover, if only greedy people didn't think so goddamn small. P.S. Father Christmas, for my brothers and my sisters, give them all a happy time and teach them how to get along. Though it's just a Christmas single with lots of bells that jingle, I hope someday the world will never have to hear this kind of song. La 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 la. Though it's just a Christmas single with lots of bells that jingle, I hope someday the world will never have to hear this kind of song.